First Alert Weather with meteorologist Zack.
All right, Mardi Gras is a little bit over a week away, so let's talk about a little bit of history because let's look at some of the warmest and coldest Mardi Gras here. 85 is the warmest Mardi Gras ever, and it actually wasn't a late Mardi Gras. It was February 20th, which is kind of right in the middle. The coldest on February 14th, 1899, and that was 20 degrees. I love parades, but if it's 20 degrees, I'm not going to a parade. I don't care anything. The wettest, about 1.5 inches. What's going to happen? Well, let's look at the past 2 years because they've been miserable. Look at 2014. Yes, freezing rain in 2014, the Mardi Gras that year. That was March 4th, which is sort of late. 35 was our high that afternoon. 49 last year with rain. We need good weather. We need it just for these crews to kind of enjoy the day and not have to deal with any weather issues. And this is what it's looking like as we go into Friday night's parade. Fine. Going to be chilly, though. Temperatures in the 40s. Saturday still looking good, although we will get a disturbance that passes by, might increase the clouds, holding temperatures in the 50s. Sunday still looking fine, and I've bumped the rain chances out of Mardi Gras, but then, yes, Tuesday, what is going to happen? There's going to be some sort of front or some sort of storm. I can tell you the models have backed off on this becoming a big storm where it's going to rain a lot, but there certainly looks to be some rain around that time. Can and will change. That's still way off in the distance, so we have time for that forecast to change, hopefully for the better, but we'll kind of see how that plays out throughout the work week this week. Now look out of our Lake Charles sky cam. We're not talking about cold. We're not talking about rain. We're talking about fog. Look off in the distance, and you can see how, the fog bank starting to roll in, or at least starting to lower in the atmosphere. So our visibilities are going down. Look at Cameron. Down to 3 miles. Now, offshore, we have a lot of fog that's developing. That's that sea fog, and it's eventually just going to slide inland, and that's why we have a dense fog advisory for the I-10 parishes and points south. Doesn't mean you're not going to see fog across northern spots, but I don't think it's going to be to the point where it's going to be very dense. But still, first thing tomorrow morning, all of you northern spots might be driving into the city of Lake Charles. You will have to leave early because I think we're going to have some thick fog first thing tomorrow morning, and this is how it plays out with our future clouds and radar. You see the fog bank. Look how it goes, penetrates all the way almost to Shreveport as we go into the morning hours, but then it goes away. By about 1 o'clock, we get some sunshine back. Tomorrow, another very windy and another very warm day. I think we're going for, say, probably the upper 70s. Tomorrow will be the warmest day of this stretch, but then once we go into Groundhog Day on Tuesday, this is Tuesday morning, see how we have some showers developing. Nothing too heavy. You don't see any thunderstorms embedded in that, but then this cold front starts to plow eastward as we go into the afternoon hours, and see how the thunderstorms, they develop across south central Louisiana. And I put this red box because that is where the severe threat is going to be with this next storm. It's going to be north of southwest Louisiana. And you see how the storms, they don't really get going until they're past us. And at that point, that front is rolling through, and then there's that line of storms. But we're already in the clear by Tuesday afternoon, and our temperatures will be falling. So hopefully, this will stay this way, and I think it will. But this is the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. This is where we're watching for those, say, big tornadoes, and that's going to be well to our north and east. And you see how we're just included in a very low-end risk for maybe 1 or 2 stronger storms. But like I said, most of the storms probably not going to organize until they get east of us. We might actually, get by with maybe not much in the way of any thunderstorm activity, just some rain showers, say, for the first half of Tuesday. And that is your Groundhog Day. Hopefully, our little guy or our nutria around here can tell us winter is about to be over for those that don't like the cold weather, but it doesn't feel like winter right now. The cold weather will come back for the middle of the week, and that's going to continue into next weekend. But the sunshine, we want to keep that around for, say, next Mardi Gras weekend, and hopefully that forecast for Mardi Gras will change soon.
Our Nutria Day.
Yeah. Nutria Day.
All right.